Well, good afternoon, viewers. Today we have a Nissan Frontier. It's here for a brake job. And I've changed the front pads and rotors. I like to paint the backing plates and the caliper brackets and the calipers because you can see them through the wheels, so it looks kind of nice. Customer supplied the parts, but the rear brakes, he was told by the dealership that he needed a brake job all around. There's at least 1/4 of an inch of inboard and outboard brake pad there. And the rotors aren't extremely rusty. So we're not doing the rear brakes. There's still like 60–70% remaining on the brake pads. You can see the brake pad in there. And the inboard brake pad. You can see the wear slot. When it's past the end of the wear slot, the brake pads are deemed to be worn out. That's about 1/16 of an inch. But there's like over 1/4 of an inch, 7 millimeters. So we're leaving the rear brakes. They're in fine shape. And we'll put the wheels back on and torque the wheel nuts.